When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades make as immediate and lasting an impact as a new front door. For homeowners in St. James, professional door installation not only enhances the look of a property but also strengthens its security. A well-chosen, expertly installed door becomes both a design statement and a protective shield, blending style with peace of mind. Elevating first impressions with curb appeal. Your front door is often the first detail visitors notice, and it sets the tone for the rest of your home. An outdated or worn door can detract from the charm of an otherwise beautiful property. Replacing it with a modern, well-designed option instantly improves curb appeal. Style variety. From classic wooden finishes to sleek steel or fiberglass options, St. James homeowners can choose doors that reflect personal taste while complementing the architecture of their home. Color choices. Bold colors create a welcoming focal point, while neutral shades maintain a timeless aesthetic. Glass accents. Decorative glass panels or side lights allow natural light in while adding elegance to the entryway. A new door is more than just a practical upgrade, it's an investment in the image of your home, enhancing property value and creating a lasting impression on neighbors and guests. Strengthening security where it matters most. While beauty is important, a front door's primary role is to protect. Professional door installation in St. James ensures that your home is equipped with advanced safety features that go far beyond basic locks. Sturdy materials. Steel and solid core fiberglass doors are highly resistant to forced entry, while reinforced wood options offer both durability and warmth. Upgraded hardware. Modern deadbolts, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems provide layers of protection. Impact resistance. Many doors are built to withstand extreme weather and blunt force, giving homeowners confidence in any situation. Proper installation is key. Even the strongest door won't perform its job if it isn't fitted correctly. Expert installers make sure hinges, frames, and locks are aligned for maximum strength. Energy efficiency. An overlooked advantage beyond style and security, a new door also contributes to a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Many of today's doors come with insulated cores, weather stripping, and advanced sealing technology. For St. James homeowners, this means lower heating and cooling bills while maintaining a cozy interior throughout the seasons. Energy-efficient doors also reduce drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures, a small change that makes a noticeable difference in everyday living. The professional installation difference. DIY projects may be tempting, but door installation is best left to experienced professionals. Precise measurements, removal of the old door, and careful placement of the new one ensure long-lasting performance. Professional services in St. James provide custom fit, tailored measurements for a perfect seal. Expert handling, protecting delicate glass, finishes, and hardware during installation. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. Hiring skilled installers guarantees that your investment pays off in both appearance and functionality. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a new entry door, consider your lifestyle and priorities. For maximum security, steel or reinforced fiberglass is ideal. For classic elegance, solid wood makes a bold statement. For low maintenance and durability, fiberglass offers the best of both worlds. For modern convenience, consider smart lock integration and advanced hardware. Working with a trusted St. James installation team helps homeowners navigate these choices with confidence. Conclusion. Style meets peace of mind. A door is more than just an entry point. It's a reflection of your home's personality and the first line of defense against intruders. With professional door installation in St. James, homeowners can enjoy the perfect combination of curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. Investing in the right door, installed by experts, ensures your home looks welcoming while remaining safe and comfortable for years to come.